Good morning. This is All India Radio, Kohima. The morning news read by Ketholeno. Nagaland Health and Family Welfare Department said COVID-19 cases in the state continue to decrease for the fourth consecutive week and deaths for the third week, with marked decline especially in Dimapur and Kohima. The department in its weekly bulletin said for the first time in 8 weeks, sample positivity rate in the state has gone below 10%. It has decreased from 23% at the start of the lockdown to 8% as of this week. Only Kohima, Kifire and Mokokchung have a weekly positivity rate of 10% or more. There has been a 38% decline in cases from last week. Only Parent has shown an increase in cases from last week. The state has vaccinated an approximate 32% of eligible beneficiaries by the first dose. 63,586 doses administered in the past week is the highest dose administered in a single week. Health Department said COVID-19 will come in waves as and when there is lack of human behaviors. The department stressed that mask wearing, physical distancing, avoiding crowds and taking maximum care in closed spaces should be strictly continued. Utmost care has to be taken until at least 90% of eligible beneficiaries receive the vaccine, considering the fact that children cannot be vaccinated as of now. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will address the lead event of the 7th International Yoga Day tomorrow. In view of the COVID-19 pandemic, the lead event of the International Day of Yoga 2021 will be a televised program and is scheduled to start at 6:30 a.m. on all Doordarshan channels. The event will also include an address by Minister of State for Ayush, Kiren Rijiju, and a live yoga demonstration by the Morarji Desai National Institute of Yoga. In order to strengthen and further ramp up the COVID-19 vaccination drive in the country, Centre will, from tomorrow, kick-start the free distribution of 75% of total COVID vaccines cleared by the Central Drug Lab to all the states and union territories. This includes vaccines for beneficiaries of all age group, including those between 18 to 44 years. The procurement of vaccines by the Centre, which is currently 50% of the total doses cleared by the Central Drug Lab, will be enhanced to 75%. After commencement of this policy, the states and union territories will not have to pay any amount for the procurement of vaccines, as Centre will bear all the expenses for the same. Directorate of Health and Family Welfare Nagaland has informed that the online co-win portal booking of COVID-19 vaccination appointments for 18 to 44 years for 21st to 25th of this month will open today at 9 a.m. The department said a total of 8,700 slots are available for booking throughout the state. Informing this in a release, Mission Director, National Health Mission Nagaland, Dr. Aita Litamsula Jamir said that along with 45 years and above age group, on-site registration and vaccination of 14 to 44 years group will continue at rural health units and outreach COVID-19 vaccination sessions. Ministry of Culture will celebrate International Day of Yoga by organizing a drive named Yoga and Indian Heritage as a part of Azadi Ki Amrit Mahotsav campaign. The program will be conducted at 75 cultural heritage locations with the active participation of all institutions of the ministry. The event will include 45-minute yoga followed by a 30-minute short cultural program. Live streaming of the event will run on all the digital platforms of the ministry. Minister of State for Culture and Tourism, Prahlad Singh Patil, would be performing yoga at Lal Killa, Delhi, tomorrow morning along with senior officials of the ministry. And as many states are relaxing lockdown norms, we advise our listeners not to lower their guard as the COVID-19 pandemic remains a threat to our health. Please stay at home unless it is essential to go out and continue to follow the 4 simple steps: wear a face mask, maintain 6 feet for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene, and get vaccinated. For any COVID-related information and guidance, contact national helpline numbers 011 0123978046 and 1075, and state helpline numbers 700553963 and 180034500019. With that, we come to the end of morning news. Have a nice day.